In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the layer blending mode in Krita in just a few simple steps. If you're new to Krita, blending modes are one of the easiest ways to add depth, create special effects, and completely change how your artwork layers interact with each other. Whether you want to darken, brighten, or create a more dramatic look, this quick tutorial will help you do it fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all of your layers are listed, and it's where you will choose the exact layer you want to edit. Take a moment to find the layer that you want to change, because the blending mode will only apply to the selected layer. Click on that layer to highlight it. Once it's selected, you'll know Krita is ready to apply changes to that specific layer. Now, move your attention to the top of the layers Docker window. Right next to the opacity slider bar, you'll see the blending mode selection box. This box controls how the active layer mixes with the layers underneath it. If you've ever wondered how artists make one layer look darker, lighter, softer, or more intense, this is the tool they're using. Click on that blending mode box to open the full list of options. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see a categorized list of blending styles. Some of the most common ones include multiply, screen, and overlay. Each one affects your layer in a different way, so you can experiment depending on the look you want. Multiply is great for darkening and shading. Screen is useful for brightening and adding light effects. Overlay can boost contrast and create a more vivid result. To apply one, simply click any style in the list. As soon as you select it, Krita will instantly change how that layer interacts with the pixels below it. There's no extra confirmation needed, so you can immediately see the effect on your canvas. If the result isn't quite right, don't worry. You can always go back to the same dropdown and try a different mode until you find the perfect fit. This is a really powerful feature once you get comfortable with it, because it gives you a lot of creative control without having to repaint anything manually. You can use blending modes for shadows, lighting, color effects, highlights, texture blending, and so much more. The more you experiment, the easier it becomes to understand which mode works best for your artwork. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the layer blending mode in Krita. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in your final artwork. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Krita tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.